everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I have two just kind of ridiculously cute projects to share with you today. These two cards feature the stamp set Lined Alphabet, as well as both the Honeybee Bundle, and I'm also using the super cute little Ladybug stamp set. And I've got all kinds of cute tips and tricks for you to make these two cards. They're so cute, aren't they? And these are really cool. There's a couple things you can get that I'm using today for free and a couple new things that you can purchase. So let me get started and share with you my projects. I also have an online class featuring the Honeybee stamp set, actually the bundle. So I'll give you a little more information about that, but let me show you how I made this. First of all, I'm starting with, oh gosh, I have the measurement. Let's just double check. A 4 3/4 by 3.5 inch piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm going to stamp my letters with some black Memento ink. I'm using black Memento not only because it's kind of my go-to black, but also because I'm going to color the letters in with my Stampin' Blends, and this is the right ink for that job. So I'm just going to stamp B-E-E. Spelling is really hard in a video, so bear with me. You just have no idea the struggle. All right, B and then mine. And I love these letters because they're very easy to use because of the see-through nature of these clear photopolymer stamps. So it's so easy to just get those letters right in a row. And mine aren't exactly perfect, and that's just fine. Okay, so I've got Be Mine. Then I'm going to take, actually, I should do one more thing while I'm on here. I'm going to take the cute little bee stamp and stamp that in a couple spots on here. So I'm going to have one way up in this corner. I'm going to leave a little room so I can kind of make my little trail. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I've got one right here and then another one right here. Just pop in a scrap piece of paper so I don't get ink everywhere. And then, like I said, we'll do one right here. Boom. Okay, so to color this in, I'm going to use let's see, I've got, these are Mango Melody blends, and I'm going to start doing about half of the letter in the darkest color. And if it helps, you can just kind of put like a line across each letter and then kind of color up from there. Now, whenever I color with my Stampin' Blends, I want to leave just a teensy bit of space between the edge of the stamp image and where I'm coloring in case it bleeds. And that's more where you're blending the colors. So at the very top, I'm not really going to blend, but then, you know, in that middle section, I will definitely be blending the two colors together. Okay, so with this marker, I'll blend. So I'll color the bottom, but then blend that border between the two colors. Okay, isn't that adorable? All right, I'm going to do just a little more blending with my mango because I want to color in my cute little bumblebees here. So I'll put a little bit of color on here and then blend with my lighter one. And then we're going to color in that little kind of trail, my bee trail. So to do that, I'm just going to take and I'm going to use a black regular Stampin' Write marker, and I'm just going to kind of do some dots. So nothing really fancy. But there we go. Cutie patootie. Isn't that awesome? All right, now to finish up my card, I also want, I'll put this together in just a moment, but I also want to do something fun on the inside. So I went ahead and I've got a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece. I stamped and die cut out this bee with the coordinating framelits, and the framelits also have 2 little hearts. This is the larger of the 2, and then this cool honeycomb background kind of piece. So I'm going to adhere this, and the best way to do that is actually to take a silicone mat, a little bit of liquid glue, and a sponge. So I'll just put some of that out there, grab my sponge over here. I've got it on a little clip to keep my hands clean. Then I'm going to flip this over. You can see I spread it out to even out the glue, and then I've just put a little glue on the back of this, and then I'm going to just kind of tuck this kind of going off the side but in the corner here, and then I'll trim the rest of this off in a minute. Okay, I also want to take and color in my little bee because, I mean, come on, it's just adorable. So I'll do a little of that, coloring and blending out. And then finally, we'll put it all together. Okay, so I've got this right here. I think I would be good to pop this up. I know it's the inside of my card, but still, oh my gosh, everything's better popped up, right? So I'll put that right there. And then I'm going to add my just cuter than cute little heart that I die cut. Just get that. We'll put that right there. So sweet. So this is, just like I said, it's for the inside of my card. I'm just going to snip off the excess of my little honeycomb there. Okay. Then on my regular card, let's finish all of this good stuff up. Then I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for my bee card, and we have a cute little inside for that as well. All right, so I folded my basic black card base. I'm going to adhere a 5.5 by 4 1/4 inch piece of the Golden Honey printed paper. This is one of our celebration items that you can get for free with a $50 purchase from my online store. And it's really beautiful. It's got all kinds of patterns and this great foil. Love that so much. Isn't that cool? Then I'm also going to take and adhere, of course, this to the inside. I'm going to pop up, though, my bee mine on the front. And then we're going to put it all together with a little baker's twine. Look at how cute that is on the inside. All right, now this piece, like I said, I'm going to pop that up like so. And then I'm going to tie some yellow metallic baker's twine to the outside to kind of hold it all together. This is another item that you can get. It comes in a combo pack with some sequins as well as some Bermuda Bay colored metallic baker's twine. There's like a little metallic thread running through it. So it's really pretty stuff. And all of that is all in a combo pack as well for a free choice during celebration. What I love about it is it coordinates with all kinds of stuff that we have. And that's one of my favorite parts of Stampin' Up! Is the coordination. All right, now if this isn't just so stinking cute, oh, let me show you my bug card. Okay, so we've got the cute little love bug. I made it much in the same way. I did the love and the bug the same. This is Lovely Lipstick, and then this is Bermuda Bay and Pool Party blends. So I actually did 2 sets of blends. And then, of course, I stamped my little bug, and I cut him out and popped him up on my card. But what I wanted to do was decorate the inside of my card. Now, what's so cool about this Love Bug stamp set is that you can purchase the coordinating dies, here's most of them, to go with it. And it cuts out all of these shapes, and there's a couple more shapes as well. But that also has this cute little trail that you can die cut, which I think is so cute. So I drew my other one in, but this one is kind of, it's cut into your cardstock, which is really cool. So we're going to add this cute little bug for the inside of our card. So I'm going to color that in much the same way as I colored this one in. I'm going to use both my red and Lovely Lipstick blends to color this. So I'll start with my lipstick, and I'm just going to color kind of a portion of the wings, like so, and probably a little bit of her butt. I like to think of this as a girl butterfly, or ladybug, pardon me. I don't know though. All right, so then I'm going to use my lighter lipstick just to blend a little bit, and then we'll get some of that red in there. Okay. Now for my red, I'm going to start kind of in the opposite. I'm going to do the dark. Let's make sure this is dark. I don't think it is. Nope. I'm going to do my dark out here. And then kind of have it blend out towards the pink. And I thought this was just kind of a fun way to do it. It doesn't have to be like this, but I kind of liked having a little bit of pink vibe to things, you know? And I kind of messed that up, but that's okay. We'll blend it out and no one will know the difference. There we go. So I liked adding a little touch of the pink to my bug. So cute. Okay, and then last I've got some So Saffron blends for its belly. So we'll kind of do some dark towards the bottom and its feet. I guess I could have made those red, and hands. And am I saying his? Because I mean hers. I don't know. It could be either, really. But I'll just blend that out nice. And then last but not least, I'm going to take some of my light, this is Light Flirty Flamingo, and I'm just going to draw in some cheeks, because aren't those just the cutest ever? All right, and then just like the last card, I'm going to pop this up on the inside, and I just think it's so stinking cute. All right, now here's how to get all of these goodies. Of course, when you shop my online store, I so appreciate it. It helps me bring more awesome videos just like this one to you each week. You will get a free item with every $50 you spend, and you can choose all kinds of things. You also can earn this Ladybug stamp set for free. And that Ladybug stamp set is free when you host a workshop that has $300 in orders, or if you've been saving up and want to place one big order, you can get that for free. And by the way, the best way to do that is to get a Paper Pumpkin subscription. And if you don't know about Paper Pumpkin, I'll put some information in the in the description below, but it's a great way to get them for free. And then you can also purchase those little ladybug dies that I mentioned. They coordinate with this stamp set perfectly, and they are available to purchase as part of the February and March promotion of the coordination product release. Now, all of these goodies you can find in my online store. I've got links to everything in the description of this video, and you can see all of these photos up close and all the products I used on my blog. There's a link again in that description. And don't forget, last but not least, just click right here to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. Thanks so much for stamping with me today, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.